Here we have Aerotech, and we do see prices starting to really break to the upside. And the reason why I like this is you could see on the weekly that it really has been holding each weekly low. It hasn't broken any of those weekly lows and had a very big move, went through a pretty significant correction move. But it could be going through this sideways triangle pattern. That definitely could be taking place. So it does add a little bit of risk in this. But what I like about what I'm seeing here is it's really still holding that 50 very significantly on the weekly. So far, it's been improving over the last couple weeks here. The prior week was down here, then it closed above that range, had a higher low on each, and then the last 3 weeks it's had a higher low, and now we had a pretty good close here on this week and just so early in the week. So I really think there's a good shot that this can try to go a little higher here. Watch for this trend line situation that's coming down from up top here. So I'd be looking at this resistance around the 4, right where near the high was around that 415 level. But any significant breakthrough there, then you could have a shot at a 5, maybe 5.5 level, which is not bad a bucket in this kind of a situation. And actually probably a lot more. Actually, if we're really seeing the infancy of this, that could be a pretty good move. Or keep in mind the last swing high was a swing failure, as it was not able to really bring the move higher. So try to keep that in mind, that this is a situation that could kind of just lose a little bit of that energy and kind of run sideways until it's ready to move or break. So we're trying to get on board at a point where I think makes sense. I mean, it's very close to the moving averages, starting to look like it's could be taking off. So we'll give it a shot here and see if we're right. Let's just look quickly at the daily. And you can see what I mean. It's still very early in the move, because you see here there's a little divergence there, but you've had the correction here, and it's been continuing. So you're really seeing the little counter move here on the daily, and it just could be just still a little early in that. But on the week, it's been improving a little bit. So this is one of those situations where you're really just kind of trying to play that double bottom scenario here, and anticipating that this can try to come back up into that range. And this is one that you got to make sure that you buy just at the right spot here. I would look for any pullbacks or then break away on it. If they broke away on it, then I'd go long too, of course, or if they look like they're really getting aggressive. But if you can buy it anywhere near the midpoint of this prior move, I mean, it was the high low. You do see support, I think, around the 375 range, 380, and so if you could get it around even in there, that's not too bad. But it's been rallying for the last several days, and again, it's been in a downtrend for a while. So this is one of those situations that either it's going to be taken off here. We're going to know pretty quickly if it's ready to continue this trend higher. Looks like it wants to do it. It's been improving over the last 3 weeks in the closing end of it, and I think it could generally go much higher.